Hello and welcome to my channel. This is where I stayed recently in Corfu, in the village of Roda, which is right at the north of the island. Melinda Mirage pool and bar. Just have a quick walkthrough, take you up to the room, show you what that's like. Shouldn't be a long video, it's not a very big complex. It's solely operated by Jet2, so if you do want to come here you will have to book through Jet2. And let's have a walk. So there is the main road, that's known as Roda Crossroads, and we'll go on through here. So here's the pool area. It's a freshwater pool and it's not heated. And there's not a great deal amount of apartments here, 30 maybe, I might be wrong, set in a couple of blocks. A family run business and the family are absolutely awesome. Always some beds available every day. And just this area here on my right is the bar area. They do a good selection of drinks and they also do food, breakfast, snacks. Food's very good. I'm actually staying in this block here. If you do have a car or a motorbike, there is parking available as well. So I'm on this second floor, on this first apartment, in this first apartment here. It is a shared balcony, and that's the view I've got from the balcony. And let's get into the apartment. It's a studio apartment, so not massive. So as we come in, you can see there's two single beds. Some storage there, there is a safe in there, and there is aircon available if you so wish, but you have to pay for that separate. And we have a small kitchenette area, there is fridge, kettle, various utensils, toaster, plates, etc. And then the bathroom, which is just the shower and toilet. There we go. I said it was only going to be a short video. Not very big at all, but I do recommend coming to stay here. It is a lovely place and the people that run it are absolutely awesome. So as usual, drop a like, subscribe if you already haven't, and thanks for watching.